Good morning, student. Next, we have find out the NURBS curve. The NURBS curve is the homogeneous coordinate becomes 1 comma 1. Is the PU equal to summation of I equal to 0 as P1 V1 1 3. The position vector of the control quotient the homogeneous coordinate. If all the homogeneous coordinates h are 1, denominator becomes 1. The B-spline curve is special case of NURBS. The Bezier curve is a special case of B-spline curve. Advantage of B-spline curve and NURBS curve. More versatile modification capacity. Homogeneous coordinate HC which B-spline does not have and can change. Increasing HI of a control point, drawing the curve toward the control point. NURBS can exactly represent the conic curve, circle, ellipse, parabola and hyperbola. B-spline can only approximate this curve. Curve such as conic curve, Bezier curve and B-spline curve can be converted to their corresponding NURBS representation. Techniques in surface modeling. First one, surface batch, cones batch, bicubic batch, Bezier surface, B-spline surface. Surface batch. The batch is fundamental building block for surface. The two variable u and v vary across the batch. The batch may termed biparametric. The parametric variable often lie in the range 0 to 1. Fixing the value of one parametric variable result in a curve on a batch in term of other variable. Isoperimetric curve. This shows the surface which curve at intervals of u and v 0 is to 1. Surface batch. Coons batch. These sculpture surface often involve interpolation across an intersecting mesh of curves that in effect comprises a rectangular grid of patches, each bounded by 4 boundary curve. The linearly blended cones batch is simplest for interpolating between such boundary curves. This batch definition technique blends for 4 boundary curves C and Tj and the corner point Pij of the batch with a linear blending function ft equal to 1 minus I gt equal to t. Using expression p vector into u comma v equal to cv vector u into fv plus c1 vector u into gv plus t naught vector v into fu plus d1 vector v into gu minus p vector un fu into fv minus p naught 1 vector fu into gu minus p10 vector gu into fe minus p11 vector gu into gv. Cones bath. Bicubic batch. The bicubic batch is used for surface descriptions defined in terms of point and tangent vector deformation. The general form of expression for bicubic batch is given by p vector u comma v. This is the vector equation with 16 unknown parameter kij which can be found by Lagrange interpolation through 4 by 4 grid. Bezier surface. The Bezier surface formulation uses characteristics polygon. Find the Bezier surface are given. P vector into u comma v. Summation of I equal to 0 m, j equal to 0 m, p vector I m. The vertices of the characteristics polygon blending function. B-spline surface. The B-spline surface approximates a characteristics polygon as shown in the process through the corner point of polygon, where its edges are tangential to the edges of polygon. This may not happen when the control polygon is closed. The control point surface influence surface only over a limited portion of the parametric space of variable u and v. The expression of B-spline surface is given by where various underdefined polygon n and n. This is a B-spline surface. B-spline surface closed control polygon.